In this quick guide, you'll learn how to cancel your Wolt Plus subscription. If you've decided that it's time to move on from Wolt Plus, canceling your subscription is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure that you won't be charged in the next billing cycle. To begin, you'll need to open the Wolt app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is essential as you'll need access to your personal settings to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the profile section of the app. This is usually represented by an icon that looks like a person or your profile picture, depending on your app settings. After tapping on your profile, the next thing you want to do is look for either the Wolt Plus tab or a section labeled Subscription Settings. This is where all the details about your subscription are housed. Go ahead and tap on that to bring up your subscription details. Once you're in the subscription details page, you'll see an option to manage or cancel your subscription. Selecting this will guide you through the cancellation process. The app will provide on-screen instructions that you should follow carefully. This part of the process is important to ensure your subscription is properly canceled. After you followed the instructions and confirmed the cancellation, your Wolt Plus subscription will be successfully terminated. It's as simple as that. You'll no longer have access to the benefits of Wolt Plus. But more importantly, you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. And there you have it. That's how you cancel your Wolt Plus subscription. Remember, if you ever decide to resubscribe, you can always do so by following similar steps in the app. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might also need a quick walkthrough on managing their subscriptions.